CBS 21 News First Warning Weather presents a winter weather special.
Okay, it's the moment you've been waiting for, our winter weather prediction.
Will we have lots of snow for great sledding weather, or will the winter be drier, disappointing all the kiddos?
Yeah, look at how disappointed he is. Predicting the weather is hard, especially predicting patterns for an entire season of weather.
Yeah, so this year we're turning to the never wrong Magic 8 Ball. Will we have near normal temperatures, Magic 8 Ball?
All signs point to yes. Okay, Magic 8 Ball is right, but we're not relying on chance here. We're relying on science.
That's right. One of the first things that we check is the state of El Nino. Now, El Nino is warmer than normal water in the eastern Pacific. Typically, for our area, a weak El Nino affects the jet stream, which can give us a snowier winter. The opposite, La Nina, of course, that sets us up for less snow.
Right.
And this year, the El Nino Southern Oscillation, or ENSO, is in a neutral phase, meaning water temps in the eastern Pacific are average. A neutral phase doesn't tell us much about the upcoming winter, so our prediction has to weigh heavily on climatology.
Yeah, simply put, what's normal? Well, on average, our January and February are our most active winter months when it comes to the cold and the snow. So this year, we do believe that we will have a backloaded winter with a lot more of the activity come 2020.
Now you're probably thinking, what? The last few days were freezing. Well, we believe November is just faking us out as we're in for a mild December before that backloaded winter gets here.
Yeah, and you know, guys, one other thing we're watching is an area of warm water in the North Pacific causing a ridge over western Canada and Alaska. This forces Arctic air to plunge to the south.
Yeah, so not only does this pattern spill cold air into our region, as you can see here, it would also favor a lot of Clipper systems. Now, Clipper system is a fast-moving area of low pressure that tends not to drop as much snow as, you guys know, say a nor'easter that comes up the coast. So in theory, if this pattern persists, we could be looking at more snow events, but ones that drop less amounts of snow.
Now, since we are weighing heavily on climatology this year, our winter weather prediction, we're expecting around, what's that, Frosty? Tom, can I have the ruler?
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, thank you. Teamwork. We're expecting around 30 inches of snow, which is about that high off the ground. Give or take a few inches.
Oh, that's too much snow.
That's the long-term average for the city of Harrisburg.
All right, so to summarize, we're looking at near normal to slightly below average temperatures, especially later in the season, and near normal to slightly below average snowfall. And that's due to that delayed start to the really cold stuff. So that's what we believe.